The story of manufacturing is bittersweet. Overall output has grown by more than 60% since 1991, while employment has shrunk by almost 30%. Manufacturing once powered the American job machine, but the plug has been pulled. Today, the industry plays a smaller, less central role in an economy dominated by services. In the 1950s, 30% of American workers were employed in manufacturing. The share today is only 9%. Technology and automation have increased output without the same increases in employment. Offshoring has also led to job losses. Modern technology demands more education to raise your chance of getting a good job in manufacturing. In 1970, workers with a high school diploma or less filled 2/3 of good manufacturing jobs. Today, 30% of good manufacturing jobs go to workers with no more than a high school diploma. About 27% go to workers with some college or associate's degrees, and 43% to workers with at least a bachelor's degree. While it's not the job machine it once was, the demise of manufacturing has been greatly exaggerated. Manufacturing still provides the most non-BA good jobs in 35 states.